Ona Ghana phobia nida kwan se wo kotwe won din wo limited voter registration exercise ekoso wo Juapong wo northern mensinimu wo atoyemante mu no neidie wo mo ebonyo so wo kwan a electoral commission penfo yes adwuma na Adom Kasee ne won ekasai
phobia wonum ewo Juapong ewo northern abato ampeso aso ewo from mantem mu a wo kwa kotwe won din ewo limited registration exercise ni mu ekiremu se kwan a electoral commission eye wonu mu adwuma no wani nye ho kra manfo ni amane boni nkomo twetwemu ene wadi tu dwa se kebeye a ejinaye a isi nasie se mensin aso ye nko na manfo bekọ no makotro wundi no won sesa wonu mu adwene ewo ho nti a wonu pese ensesan ye ba no ejina se wonu mutu kwan tentene asan wotimi akomansini no aso ye akwakotro wundi a ebewi akire no wonu maboka bibre
no muso mo de enkwala be ko da ayi ba to akoye no ye sro mo mfa mbra Juapong no mo be ye mankwala no kwanu wa na nsuo no so ankwala no be tra so nza ne ba na be tem so sro nsuo no ento ntimi ntina nsuo no so nko no nko ya di card nti ye sra ban on fa mbra Juapong na ankwala no so muntimi ye emaye.
So I may plead with the government so that they bring some of the police station to Juapong here because the population towards or around Juapong is plenty. And nobody know how to sue.
Manfo a woti Juapong wesan so de to yamani boni animu se the electoral commission no ansesa na dwene enyi edin a wotro no enfri mansini ahodo aso ye amfa nko polling stations a ebewi akire no nipa dodo na na yentimi ntro won din a ebedu afempinu ene edunu nan no wontumi enya kwanya enkoto wono mo aba.
Our district office is Bato, and the place you go to Bato now is very far. You need to take a car and you go across a river. That's our problem. That's how we young people over here we haven't make our attempts because we don't have those anything yet. So we are appealing to the government to do it in their sector or election sector so that it will be good. Oh, because I don't have money, so I cannot go. Because from here to Bato, 23 cities, so in and out is 46. So if you go there, you are going to cross the sea. The sea to in and out is 6 cities. So if you cross, you will take motor before you reach there. So I don't have money. That is why I don't want to go and do the card.